One step forward and two steps back. Nothing good ever comes easy. I gave it all and got a knife in my back. Should've known the ones I trusted would leave me. They only see what they wanna see. Heavy is the weight that I hold. The weight that I hold. I carry it 'cause it's all that I know. This is all that I know. Pressure on me, pressure to be true to who I am. Heavy is the weight that I hold. One life, one chance, it's all I have. Wouldn't matter if the whole world hated me. So I move on, forget the past, and let them go back to thinking they made me. They only see what they wanna see. Heavy is the weight that I hold. The weight that I hold. I carry it 'cause it's all that I know. This is all that I know. Pressure on me, pressure to be true to who I am. Heavy is the weight that I hold.
Heavy is a weight. I don't wanna wait for the mind to be good when I wanna be great. Yeah, I know about pressure, yeah, I know about stress. I'm worried if I lose everything invested. And I know about working when I'm hardly rested. Like, am I in tune with what I'm destined for? Been carrying this weight for so long, didn't even notice that my back was so strong. I could probably put a boat on it with no problem, the show must go on.
Heavy is the weight